Judge, for a New Yorker like me, this sounds crazy. Our utilities, they're regulated, but Texans decided years ago they want to privatize the market and make decisions for themselves. And this is what you end up with.
No, Texans didn't decide that. Electric companies and the governor decided that. And they set about a scheme that benefits large commercial users with rock bottom prices who can hire people to watch the market constantly and hedge against risk. But they didn't put in the necessary protections for regular small business and regular people. And so you have situations like this. You know, this is supposed to work like an adjustable rate mortgage on your house, where there is a top end that they can charge you. But as you can see, because Texas didn't put any regulations in place with the governor's team, Gritty is able to charge people $10,000 and $20,000 to heat a small home. What you need to do, Texans, is cut off the automatic bill pay on your credit cards for these exorbitant rates and don't pay them.
Is there any real recourse, though? Because the markets are privatized in Texas, there's always this risk. So now, if we're saying to people in Texas, we're going to investigate this, you shouldn't have to pay your bill, who's going to pay the bill? Is the government going to pay these businesses? Because it's going to be like winning the jackpot for them.
Well, first we need an investigation to see if these businesses did everything within the specs of the law. And if not, we need to get our customers out on that basis. Look, the governor got us into this. He's going to need to get people out of it. It is fundamentally unfair for the government to set up a predatory pricing scheme, catch Texans up in it, and then leave them holding the bag. In a week, by the way, where most of the people that are seeing these high bills went for days without any power or water.
It is awful in every way. There's this idea out there, though, that deregulation is good for people. They can choose what they want. But regulation is protection. And now Texans have been left unprotected.
That's right. You need some regulation in a commodity market like electricity. Electricity is not the place where you want to allow gambling. Now, most of these consumers didn't know they were gambling. Just as when you buy an adjustable rate mortgage on your home, you would be shocked if your mortgage bill went up 100 times more in a month, and it can't because there are regulations to stop that from happening. There weren't any consumer protections put in for people, for regular people. The system is built for the large commercial users. And so things like weatherizing the plants so that people would have power in extreme cold, or setting bands in which variable rates cannot go higher than. These were not thought of, well, they were thought of because consumer activists asked for them, but the governor's team rejected it, and here we are.
Let's talk about recovery. It has begun across the state. For you, what's the biggest challenge you see in Dallas?
Well, twofold. We're trying to get water to people, and the governor has cut our vaccine distributions in half and sent those to people in other parts of the state. And so as we come back out of this, we're trying to vaccinate our seniors. We're without the vaccine to do it.
Why would he cut the vaccines in half? Right now, we need all the help we can get on all fronts.
Well, that's a great question. The first time we heard from anyone on the governor's team was 3 days after our people had been without power. And that was to tell us that despite the state getting a record number of vaccines this week, ours in Dallas-Fort Worth would be cut in half and sent to other areas of the state. I've got 80-year-olds, 75-year-olds who have been on a registry list since January waiting for that first shot. This is the most vulnerable population, and we have got to get them vaccinated. If you want to see the Texas economy recover, then you want to see as much vaccination as possible.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.